Are you looking for the best home cleaning tools? In this video we are looking 7 best-selling tools for home cleaning. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. O-Cedar Rinse Clean Spin Mop and Bucket System. Clean with clean water, removes 99% of bacteria. Color, rinse clean spin mop and bucket. Material, plastic. Handle material, wood. Handle type, telescopic. Head material, microfiber. Clean with fresh water, dual chamber system keeps dirty water separate so every swipe uses clean water, never mop with dirty water again. Removes 99% of bacteria, effectively cleans dirt, grime, and over 99% of bacteria using just water. Hands-free wringing, built-in foot pedal spins the mop dry, hands stay clean, floors get the perfect amount of water, and mopping is effortless. Save time and money, microfiber mop heads are machine washable and reusable up to 4 times the savings compared to disposable spray mops. Safe on all hard floors, gently cleans hardwood, laminate, tile, vinyl, and other sealed surfaces without scratching. Reaches every corner, triangular mop head and 360 degrees rotation make it easy to clean corners, edges, and under furniture. Number 2. O-Cedar Easy Ring Microfiber Spin Mop, Bucket Floor Cleaning System, Red, Gray, Standard. Color, Easy Ring Spin Mop and Bucket. Material, plastic. Handle material, wood. Handle type, telescopic. Head material, microfiber. Hands-free wringing, our exclusive mop bucket design features a built-in wringer that allows for hands-free wringing while splash guard keeps water splash and spray inside the bucket when wringing or when transporting the bucket from room to room. Machine washable, the Easy Ring microfiber mop head is machine washable and reusable. We recommend replacing the mop head refill every 3 months for optimal floor cleaning results. Deep cleaning microfiber, O-Cedar's Easy Ring microfiber spin mop and bucket floor cleaning system uses millions of strands of advanced microfiber to effectively capture dirt and grime with just plain water, eliminating the need for harsh chemicals. Safe for all hard flooring, including finished hardwood, wood, laminate, tile, vinyl, and more. Reaches in corners, due to the patented triangle mop head and ability to rotate 360 degrees, the Easy Ring Mop can reach and clean deep into corners, under furniture, alongside baseboards, and between tile. 1 refill equals 3 months of cleaning. This offer includes 1 Easy Ring refill, and each Easy Ring microfiber refill lasts up to 3 months. Save time and money with longer-lasting mop head replacements. Handle extends fully to 48 inches, with a telescopic handle that extends up to 48 inches, anyone can mop comfortably without bending over. Number 3. BISSELL Steam Shot Omni Reach. Handheld portable steam cleaner for tile, grout, windows, bathrooms, kitchens, fabric steaming tool. Brand, BISSELL. Special feature, portable. Surface recommendation, grout. Model name, Steam Shot Omni Reach. Included components, grout brush. Every purchase saves pets. Every purchase makes it possible for BISSELL to continue our support of BISSELL Pet Foundation and its mission of saving pets in need. Clean with the natural power of steam, 1000 watts of steam power. On-demand steam trigger, control the amount of high-pressure, high-temperature steam. Chemical-free cleaning, powerful clean with water alone, safe to use in homes with kids and pets when used as directed. Important, please use the measuring cup included when filling with water to ensure there is no leakage. 1 tool, endless possibilities, includes multi-surface tools for hard-to-reach areas. Number 4. BISSELL Little Green Mini Portable Carpet and Upholstery Deep Cleaner. Car/auto detailer, with Hydro Rinse self-cleaning tool and 4-inch tough stain tool, tea green. Brand, BISSELL. Color, tea. Item weight, 7 pounds. Every purchase saves pets. Every purchase makes it possible for BISSELL to continue our support of BISSELL Pet Foundation and its mission of saving pets in need. Save your sanctuary, tackle spills and pet stains while removing dander, dust, and pollen allergens. Cleans more than carpet, spray, scrub, and suction to remove embedded dirt and stains from upholstery, car interiors, pet beds, and more. Includes 4-inch tough stain tool with removable lens, hydro rinse self-cleaning hose tool, and 8 ounces BISSELL little green formula. Easy storage, conveniently stores in small spaces, perfect for cabinets, closets, and more. Little green formula instantly and permanently removes stains and eliminates everyday household odors. Number 5. Electric Spin Scrubber. Cordless cleaning brush scrubber for home, 8 replaceable brush heads, 90 minutes work time, 3 adjustable size, 2 speeds for bathroom, shower, bathtub, glass, car. Brand, Bombs. Color, white. Handle material, stainless steel plus plastic. Specific uses for product: bathroom, bathtub, shower, toilet, kitchen, pool, window, vehicle, car, tile, grout, floor, furniture, wall, carpet, sink, basin, bathroom, bathtub, shower, toilet, kitchen, pool, window, vehicle, car, tile, grout, floor, furniture, wall, carpet, sink, basin. Bombs Electric Spin Scrubber, cordless cleaning brush scrubber for home, bathrooms, kitchen, toilet brush, bathtub, window. Powerful and convenient. Say goodbye to traditional cleaning tools, let the new household cleaning tools change your life. We collected the needs of users from all over the internet, combined with the advice of top designers, to produce an ergonomic electric spin scrubber. The electric spin scrubber uses top-of-the-line chip technology. Battery capacity up to 5000 mAh. The battery takes 2 to 3 hours to fully charge and will work for up to 90 minutes on a full charge. Number 6. WOLFBOX MF50 Compressed Air Duster 110000 RPM Super Power Electric Air Duster, 3-gear adjustable mini blower with fast charging, dust blower for computer, keyboard, house, outdoor and car. Brand, WOLFBOX. Item weight, 204 grams. Product dimensions, 3.38-inch W x 1.45H. Manufacturer, WOLFBOX. Powerful turbofan, WOLFBOX Megaflow 50 electric air duster reaches speeds of up to 110,000 revolutions per minute, effectively removing dust and debris. It features 3 adjustable speed settings to suit different cleaning tasks. Economical and reusable, built from durable materials with a long-lasting battery, the WOLFBOX MF50 is a sustainable alternative to disposable air cans, enhancing your cleaning experience. Portable and lightweight, weighing only 0.45 pounds, this compact air duster is easy to carry. The included lanyard ensures convenient use both indoors and outdoors. Wide application, WOLFBOX MF50 electric air duster comes with 4 nozzles, making it suitable for a variety of scenes, such as PC, keyboards, or other electronic devices. It also serves well for home clean and car duster. 3.5 hours fast charging, WOLFBOX MF50 electric air duster recharges in just 3.5 hours with a Type-C cable. Enjoy up to 240 minutes of use on the lowest setting, with 4 charging options to suit your needs. Number 7. TUYU Electric Spin Scrubber, Full-Body IPX7 Waterproof Bathroom Scrubber with Power LCD Display, Adjustable Extension Handle, Cordless Shower Cleaner Brush for Bathtub Kitchen Wall Cleaning. Brand TUYU. Color black. Handle material stainless steel. Specific uses for product: bathtub. Save time and effort. Upgraded electric spin scrubber cordless gets rid of the troubles caused by traditional cleaning tools. It can be used anywhere you want. This spin scrubber is super lightweight and very easy to pick up and use to clean surfaces without getting tired, and drastically reduce your work time from 1 hour to 30 minutes. Powerful and efficiency, the internal motor drives the rotating brush head to rotate at a high speed up to 450 RPM plus or minus 10%, can help you easily clean your entire house, especially when used with a cleaning agent. It can quickly clean stubborn stains and make entire house look new. Perfect for bathroom, bathtub, stone tile floor, grout, grooves, toilet and etc. 2 adjustable speed and IPX7 waterproof. You can easily clean your entire house in one fell swoop with this cleaning brush. It's set as 2 working speeds, low speed, 350 revolutions per minute, 2 high speed, 450 revolutions per minute. What you need to do is press the on/off button once. The entire machine is IPX7 waterproof. You can wash the electric scrubber directly into the faucet without worrying about product damage. For replaceable brush heads, TUYU electric spin scrubber has equipped with 4 cleaning heads, a hard flat brush for large surfaces, a corner brush for curved areas, a small flat brush for detail work, and a pointed brush for gaps. All the brushes have long bristles that resist shedding and won't scratch surfaces, which can be suitable for bathroom, kitchen, table, bathtub, floor, windows, and car various scenarios to meet most of your requirements. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.